Hello everyone, welcome to my channel www.youtube.com/bestadvancedsoftware 1891. Today we are here with the best topic of 10 best data migration tools with buying guides and reviews. In data migration, selecting the right tool is crucial for seamless transitions. These tools are pivotal in ensuring data accuracy, security, and efficiency during migrations. These tools are vital in facilitating data transfer from one system to another, streamlining process and minimizing potential disruptions. Let's explore the top 10 data migration tools, each with the concise descriptions. Before moving on the top 10 list, subscribe my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/bestadvancedsoftware1891. Don't forget to like the video, share this to your friends. Number 1, XYZ Migrate Pro. Let's know its features. Efficiently transfer large volume of data swiftly and securely. Offer robust customization option for various data migration needs. Provide comprehensive support and seamless integration with diverse systems. Boasts a user-friendly interface. Number 2, Data Flow Master Suite. Let's know its features. Streamlines data transfer, enhancing efficiency and reducing time consumptions. Provide robust security features, ensuring data confidentiality and integrity. Offer comprehensive support and assistance for user during implementations. Number 3, SyncTech Light Mover. Let's know its features. Offer robust scheduling options for convenient migration planning and executions. Provide comprehensive support and assistance for user during migration. Enable customization, adapting to various data migration requirements seamlessly. Number 4, Talent Open Studio Data. Let's know its features. Talent Open Studio Data offers robust and scalable data integration capabilities. The tool provides a user-friendly, intuitive graphic design environment. It's for a wide range of data source and integration scenarios. Number 5, IBM InfoSphere Information Server. Let's know its features. Enhancing data integration for seamless workflow efficiency. Robust data quality feature ensure accuracy in information handling process. Extensive support and reduce from IBM ensure effective implementation success. Number 6, SyncSort Connect ETL. Let's know its features. Efficiently handle large volume of data, ensuring robust performance. Versatile connectivity across diverse data source and target destinations. Offer robust data transformation capabilities for complex business needs. Provide comprehensive monitoring. Number 7, Apache NiFi. Let's know its features. It's offer extensive support for various data formats and protocols. The user-friendly interface simplifies complex data routing and transformations. Robust security features protect data throughout the entire integrations process. Number 8, Attunity Replicate. Let's know its features. The tool offers a user-friendly interface facilitating seamlessly navigation and configurations. It provides robust support for various data sources, enhancing its versatility. Attunity Replicate excel in automating complex data integration process effectively. Number 9, Scribe Online. Let's know its features. User-friendly interface facilitate quick and hassle-free data migration tasks. Offer real-time data synchronization in ensuring up-to-data information across systems. Robust connectivity options support a wide range of third-party applications. Number 10, Dell Boomi. Let's know its features. Streamlines complex integration, enhance overall operational efficiency. Cloud native platform ensures scalability and flexibility from diverse business needs. User friendly interface facilitate rapid development and deployment of integration solutions. Thanks for watching. Join us on our official website www.bestadvancedsoftware.com Join us on our other social platform like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube. Subscribe www.youtube.com/bestadvancedsoftware1891. Thanks for watching.